So guys, this video has gotten 40k view. You can see it here. From the time it was published, it has gotten 40k view. Okay, can you guys see it? Can you guys see the video? Can you see the spike? It's just going up, up, up and up like this. Okay, see, okay. And this video is the video I did about what I did about I just lost my YouTube channel monetization. And this video was published on the 6th of May, on the 6th of last month. And today is 14th. So I just want to share my experience with you on how much YouTube paid me for, why are you disturbing my ear? On how much YouTube paid me for 40,000 views. I personally love to review this video with you because this video did not only give me subscribers, this video did not only give me watch time, this video did not only give me revenue, this video did not only give me engagement, but this video made me feel loved. Okay, when I mean made me feel loved, the kind of love I've gotten from this video ever since I published this video, I have never expected it on this YouTube channel or on this YouTube street, like where people can personally relate to what I've passed through, and where I can also relate to what people are going through, and where people can actually come to me one-on-one, and then they are seeking advice from this small girl. This small girl that God has helped. Okay, so that is one good thing about this video. I feel like in all of my videos that I've been uploading on YouTube, this video is one video that people can really relate to, and then me and them can have a conversation like one-on-one. And the massive love that people has shown me on this video is what is making me to do this video. So first of all, introduction. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Okay, so before I start, let me just put this out there. As a YouTuber, I know that you guys are tired of hearing this, but you guys will continue to hear it. As a YouTuber, what is that thing that is making you want to give up? Let me tell you guys something. As at last year, by this time last year, I was not making anything on YouTube. Like I was making money on YouTube, but I was not cashing out anything on YouTube because YouTube, you need to reach like $100 threshold. But just in a month or within the period of 3 months, everything about my YouTube channel just changed. So why do you want to give up? Why do you want to start all over again? Why do you feel that content creating is very easy? See, in as much as that job that you are doing is not easy, don't think content creating will be easy. With this one shirt, I've been filming over 3 or 4 videos now. Probably this will make it the 5th one. And after filming, I will edit and then I will still upload. For 3 days now, network has been messing up with my head because all my videos that I put on my list has gone up. But network has been messing up with my head seriously. But I told myself, you aren't giving up. I am not born to give up. So why giving up on what you know that at the end of the day, you are going to make something out of it? And if you are there, you want to start your YouTube channel, but you've been procrastinating, you've been prolonging, I hope this my video of how much YouTube pay me for 40,000 views just in a month, will help you realize where you are and start creating content on YouTube.
It's by Sonia.
With that being said, let's just go right into my phone as I start my almighty screen record and show you guys how much my beautiful, my amazing YouTube has paid me. If there is nothing I am grateful for in this life, I am grateful that I came across YouTube. So this video is a video I did about I just lost my YouTube channel. Permit me, I'll be talking really slow. I just lost my YouTube channel monetization. Because of this, learn from my mistakes and avoid this. And let me click on this video. You can see that this video has gotten um 40,220 views, and the audience retention of this video for a, how many minutes video do I have here? For a 22-minute video, the audience retention of this video is 4 minutes 37 seconds, and of which is something to be grateful for. Do you think it's easy for people to watch your videos for 3 minutes? Then you can see the spike, the real time, the last 48 hours, this video has made up to 1,853 views, okay? And you can see my top traffic source: browse features, suggested videos, other YouTube feeds, channel page, direct or unknown. Then let's go to the reach of this beautiful video. For the reach of this beautiful video, this video has gotten an impression of 482.9, and of which for a 482.9 impression, this video is honestly doing well. And then for how viewers found this video: browse feature, suggested videos, other YouTube features, channel page, others, and then external sites or apps: whatsapp.com, WhatsApp app, Google search, and then YouTube search term for this video: Vibe with Sonia, make room, how I got my channel monetized, how I got monetized on YouTube. Then content suggesting this video, you can see that most of them are my content, and also they are content that are related to my videos, of which this lady did. I lost my monetization as well. Finally monetized, you can see this video: create AI stories, don't repeat this on YouTube. You can see that those are content that are relating to my content. Then let's go to the engagement of this video. Then for the engagement of this video has watch time of 3K watch hour. Imagine I'm looking for watch hour now. I only have just 1K to complete this video. Only this video just give me 3,000 watch hour just within a period of 1 month. Then audience retention 4 minutes 37 seconds. And then let's go to the likes and dislike. I lost my channel 98 and channel average 98, and of which is not bad. Now let's go to the audience of this video. So for the audience of this video returning viewers is 6.5K. That is to say, people will watch, come back again, they rewatch is 6.5K. Who am I? I love you guys. Then for the age that are watching this video, which is very, very, very important, you can see I have from age of 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 40, 40 to 54, and then 55 to 60. Only 2 different age are not watching this, which is teenagers, and of which maybe teenagers are, they always put my content, say they are not meant for kids, so definitely they will not recommend it to teenagers, okay? And then 65, all those people say, you know, they just need to be drag seat with Tinubu, not be for me again. Then for gender, male genders are watching this video for 38%, while female 61%. I love you guys. Mwah. Then let's talk about the top geographics, okay, which is the top countries watching this video. Nigeria, number 1. Aheluna. Which one again? I have what? United States, and then I have United Kingdom. And I know that if I click, I'll be seeing other countries that are also watching as well. Then Kenya, Ghana. These are my top 5 countries that are watching this video. So now subtitled, no subtitled, and English, and this. And can you see? Watch time for subscribers. So let's leave that one and go to that thing that brought you here. Because that sometimes if I'm doing this video, people be like, Sonia, can you please just fast forward to the revenue? It is not the revenue that is the important thing. It is what you have to take home that is very important. Because at the end of the day, if I just show you the revenue is still my own revenue, okay? I don't get to share it with you. But what I get to tell you for you to take home, that is the most important one that you're going to now use and apply to your own channel and know what you're going to do with it so that you can also get the revenue. So let's click on the revenue. For the revenue of this video has gotten $169.67 just within a period of 1 month. Hood day. So this video has gotten $169.67. Now let's do some calculation before we'll come back. Still on this our screen record, I'll minimize this and then I'll go to calculator. As of today that I'm filming this video, dollar is 1,380 naira on my own app, but I know that if I go outside, it will be up to 1,450 or probably 1.5. So, but let me use the 1,380. If I times it to 169, I will be getting 233,220 naira. This is just me timesing it with the price that is not the market's black market rate, because me definitely I'm going to be taking the black market rates. Can you see? I will be getting 233,220, and of which in Nigeria currency, in Nigeria work as it stands now, which company will pay me this amount? I want to know the company that will pay me this amount in the comment section. Except if I'm working in the oil sectors or I'm working in all of these top big sectors and I'm also having a higher position. Because I've seen people that are working in a high oil company sectors and in oil company sectors, but their income is very low. Yes, I have worked with them. Okay. If you know the kind of job that I did before, where I was working before, you will know that I deal mostly with oil and gas staffs. But trust me, they are barely earning even up to sometime 100 or 150. That's the truth. So, but for within a period of 1 month, I've been able to earn 233,220 as at today's exchange rates. Is it not something to be grateful for? Then you are going to be telling me why you want to quit your own YouTube channel. So now let's go back to my analysis and how you make money. I make money through watch paid ads, YouTube Premium as well, and then my video performance. You guys can see that for every 1K view, I get to make $4.33. Okay, and of which for this view that they've calculated to pay me this particular amount, it is just for 39.2K view that they calculated. The other views that are yet to be added, they've not added it. So if they add it tomorrow, because I think every 24 hours my listing will just increase, or by 10 p.m. today, I will still check it to increase, and you guys are going to see that I'll be getting more money. And then for how much advertisers pay, advertisers are actually paying me $9.61. Who they check? Who the balance? Who get demand? We want checkouts. Hey, advertisers pay me $9.61 for putting adverts on my Amiable's videos. I love you guys. I love you advertisers. And then earnings by skippable videos, display ads, bombers, and what? Non-skippable videos and unknown. And I think I did not show you guys the subscriber I got from this video. For the subscribers, I got 632 subscribers. That means 632 plus subscribers subscribe just from this video alone. And then let me end this live stream, this screen record here. Let's talk. Now, not say we must talk. Are you still willing? Are you still ready to give up on your YouTube channel? That is the question I want to ask you, and I want you to answer me in the comment section. Do you still think that all the efforts you're trying to put in here is a waste? I remember when I started my YouTube channel, when I see people do videos of how much YouTube pay for so amount, I'll be like, oh God, I can't wait to get to that point whereby I'll also be telling people how much YouTube pay me. But today, 3 years later, or 2 years plus later, because I'll be 3 years next month, Sonia is here to say how much YouTube pay her. And not for just one video, for different video. Is that not something to be grateful for? Is that not something to be happy for? So do you still want to give up? That is the question that I want to ask you. It is not left for you to answer that question in the comment section. No matter what you're trying to do on this YouTube street, just know that at the end of the day, you are going to make money. Just know that at the end of the day, you're going to earn salary that even your 9-to-5 job cannot pay you. Yes, when I was working my 9-to-5 job, probably this month that I've gotten, maybe they'll pay me like in 4 months or so, or sometimes maybe it go past 4 months. I'm telling you, I'm not closing my mouth for anybody. You know, when I was working, people were thinking that, oh, Sonia is a big girl, Sonia is that. They don't know that Ha, I'm suffering and smiling. No, they know that the salary is very small. The salary is very chicken money. And coupled with the fact that I worked with a four-star hotel that was supposed to be earning well. But anyways, that's Nigerian sector for you, and we don't need to condemn or judge anybody on that because I was also treated well as a staff. Okay, aside my salary, I was treated well as a staff. I was given some small commission that was also good, but not to be compared to this particular salary that I just got from YouTube in just a period of 1 month. So tell me, why won't I push more? Why won't I upload more videos? Why will I ever give up? Why will I even be looking at my views? Even if your views are 1, 2, 3, 4, don't look at your views. Just look at the future. One video can make you cover up all your years that is lost. One video can make you see reasons why you need to stay on this channel. One video can make you feel loved. One video can make you feel that yes, you belong on this particular street, if only you did not give up. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And I would love to also know your experience, how much you've been able to get for 40K view if you are monetized on YouTube. Then if you are yet to be monetized, also let me know in the comment section. If you have not been joining my live stream on my YouTube series, tutorials, and the rest of that, what are you waiting for? Please join my live stream, okay, every Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, where we get to talk heart to heart. And yeah, I'm just so happy. With no further ado, I do like I always say in my video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah. Don't ever give up.